Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making one of my favorite summer treats, homemade magic shell. This 2-ingredient ice cream topping is so delicious. You can use it on any kind of flavor ice cream that you like, and it is so much better than store-bought. Skip the artificial flavors, seed oils, and added ingredients that you don't need in store-bought magic shell. Instead, make this 2-ingredient organic magic shell at home. Let me show you how to do it. So all you guys need is 2 simple organic ingredients to make homemade magic shell. Now this amazing ice cream topping is so simple to make. I don't know why anyone would ever buy it because it's so much better for you if you make it at home. Now this nostalgic ice cream topping is so good and it's so easy to make. This is the recipe that we used in my bake shop for over a decade. You're gonna need 226 grams of dark chocolate. And I'm using my favorite organic mini dark chocolate chips that I use anytime I'm melting chocolate. I'm obsessed with these for melting chocolate because they have no stabilizers in them and they're mini, so they melt super fast and super easily, and there's no chopping chocolate required. And so if you're wondering what a stabilizer in chocolate is, it's an ingredient that a lot of people will put into chocolate chips specifically to keep them from melting. And so when I say use a chocolate with no stabilizers, it's really to help you melt the chocolate easier. So 2 common stabilizers for chocolate chips include sunflower lecithin and soy lecithin. So if you see that ingredient in your chocolate chips, you don't really want to melt them because it's just going to be more challenging and they're not going to melt with ease. And so instead, you want to use a chocolate chip that doesn't have any stabilizers, like these mini dark chocolate chips that I have here, or you can also use a dark chocolate bar because those usually don't have anything like that. And so if you're using a dark chocolate bar, you just want to make sure that you chop it up into small pieces so it melts easily. And then we have 57 grams of coconut oil. And now you can't make magic shell at home with a different oil, in case you guys are wondering. Coconut oil is key because it's an oil that solidifies. That is the whole reason that this magic shell works. Because when coconut oil is added to melted chocolate, the coconut oil will melt as well. But if it's then poured over ice cream, which is freezing cold, the coconut oil will solidify and that will seize up the chocolate, which is what creates this organic magic shell all on its own. And so if you were wondering if you could use avocado oil or sunflower oil or canola oil, the answer is no. You can't use any of those oils because they don't solidify. And so they will not create that crackly, hard magic shell top on top of ice cream. You'll just end up with an oily chocolate sauce. And so while store-bought magic shell is usually made with seed oils, it then uses stabilizers to harden those seed oils when your chocolate shell hits the ice cream. So you're really adding all these unnecessary ingredients when you use a store-bought magic shell when you can just make it at home with 2 organic ingredients. And so you want to make sure that your chocolate is in a heat-proof mixing bowl. I have glass here. And depending on how you want to heat the chocolate and coconut oil, if you want to use the microwave, just make sure you're using a microwave-safe bowl. And if you want to use a double boiler, you can do that as well. Just make sure you're using a glass bowl or a metal bowl. So then you're going to add the coconut oil into the dark chocolate. So once you have your dark chocolate and your coconut oil in your heat-proof bowl, then all we have to do is melt this together. And like I said, you could do this using a double boiler if you prefer over the stovetop. But if you want to do it in the microwave, that's totally okay too. And it's way easier, so I'm just going to do that. We just want to make sure that we're doing 30-second intervals in the microwave, stirring between each one. That's just going to help prevent the chocolate from burning. And then you're just going to stir this up until the chocolate and coconut oil is completely combined. And now it's done and it's ready to use on ice cream. But I have one more trick for you guys. If you want to make flavored magic shell, I have quite a few different flavor variations that you could try out. If you want to do mint, if you want to do almond, lemon, orange, even peanut butter. It's so easy and all you would do is mix in whatever option you want to use right now. So let's do peanut butter today. So whatever flavor you're adding, you can add that in now and then just mix it up. So now it's time to transfer the magic shell to a mason jar. This is my favorite way to store it because it's super easy. Everyone has a mason jar. We use the squeeze bottle at my bake shop because we were always putting it on top of ice cream. That was the main reason that we made it. If you guys have a squeeze bottle at home, you could also put it in that. And now you guys have homemade magic shell with just 2 ingredients. You can use this on any kind of ice cream that you want, and if you're making ice cream bars at home or popsicles, you can also use this to dip in the ice cream bars for that perfect chocolate shell. And now you have homemade magic shell with just 2 organic ingredients. Oh my gosh, you guys, so good. My favorite's on chocolate ice cream, but you guys can put this magic shell on any flavor ice cream that you like. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and a comment. And if you want more summer recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.